Hi everybody, whether you are intentionally tuned in to Love Island or not, this is my official Love Island Season 8 fashion recap. The first piece we have here is Ariana Madix wearing this beautiful Tom Ford asymmetric black gown, and Tiana Taylor had wore the brown one. When I tell you this dress is gorgeous, she looked so good in it. This is an absolute yes. And it was accessorized perfectly. The hair was good. Ooh, yes, that's how it makes me feel. Yes. The next outfit is also another Ariana outfit, and yes, we are on Ariana because Ariana obviously is going to have the best looks. Just period. She got the budget. So the next outfit that she has on is this cute area mini crystal embellished dress. It is so good, y'all. Like, the color is perfect. It's beautiful. It's perfect for spring. It's perfect for summer. It's everything. I would wear this anywhere. Like, this is just a cute, perfect mini dress to have in your closet, and you go out with you and your girls. It's perfect for that. Next up, we have this red mini dress with the beaded halter neck that Melanie was wearing. And let me tell y'all, this dress was so good. It's such a boho style, like it's boho chic, and it's like very early 2000s, very on brand for early 2000s trend that's back in right now. I absolutely love this dress. I looked and scoured the internet for it. I cannot find it. I feel like it's a vintage find, and I love that for her. My favorite like daytime outfits was from Anaya, and Anaya just killed it. She always had on a cute hat and a cute bikini, and it just fit so well with her style, and I just loved it so much. She had the best daytime style to me. So right here we have Anaya wearing a cute like straw cowboy hat with a two-piece bikini, and it's just so cutesy, y'all. Like this, I'm feeling this. I'm not gonna lie, when I seen Trinity in this outfit, I was like, oh yeah. Yeah, absolutely, Trinity, we get it. I see you, girl. This is cute as hell. So Trinity had on a cute scarf tied up, jet black straight bundles. We loved it. She had on the white jumpsuit with the thigh-high Tims. Trinity, girl, we see you. Trinity, we see you. You ate that up. You ate that up. Absolutely, yes. Oh, yes, she ate that up, yo. Yes. I'm trying to tell y'all, Anaya with this bikini and the hat. This is a cute red, a whole monochromatic fit, period, Anaya. She got on the red bucket, red bikini. Ate it up. I love this. This is how you do it. This is cute daytime, chilling around, cute. Yes. Melanie had her hair pulled back, 2 strands in front. Ate them up already. White, what is it, like a white tank? It was like a white tank, and it's like you could see a bikini underneath, and you could tie it right there. And then she had on a jean skirt. She was just giving us the early 2000s boho queen that she is. That's what she was giving us, y'all, and it was so cute. But what I really loved about this outfit was her accessories. I feel like her bangles with the turquoise in it was just so cute. I loved it, y'all. She ate this up. This was cute. This is like cute, chill, lounging around, and she was having a moment, okay? This was not her day, but she was having a moment. But this, she looked cute. She looked very nice. Kenzie has on this long sleeve maxi cutout dress, and it is absolutely yes. I loved it. This is from Outcast Shopping. They are on Instagram if you're looking for that dress, but I thought that dress was so cute, and I felt like it fit her body so right, and I felt like the dress was stunning. Like, I really liked it. Little mesh material, little black long at the bottom, like the skirt part is long and black. I just feel like it was cute. Like, I hate that I'm saying cute, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that was a cute ass dress. A lot of my favorite looks have been from the host, and it's like, no duh, they got the budget for it, but I ain't gonna lie, they ate it up. So anyways, I have a picture here of Sierra and Teffy, and Teffy is wearing a pat bow dress. I love it. It's a crochet material. The color is beautiful. It brings out the undertones in her skin. It looks so good. Like, I'm on vacation. I look damn good. Period. And then right next to her, we have Sierra Miller wearing Roberto Cavalli fall 2023 runway patchwork denim dress. Yes, absolutely yes, y'all. This is so cute. Like, they're giving me all the vibes, all the tones, all the summer feels. Like, even though it's like patchwork and it's like suede and different materials, like suede and leather, it's so cute, y'all. Like, so cute. It just fits summer. Like, it screams summer to me. It does. Even though it's like, oh, these are fall colors. No, it's summer. It's like bronze mommy goddess summer. Yes. Soul had on this 2-piece bikini, y'all, and the jewelry matching her bathing suit. She absolutely ate this up. I'm sorry. The body is tea. The white bikini is tea. The halter neck is tea. And then the jewelry matching tea. 10s. We have Ariana Madix. I don't want to pronounce this wrong, so let me just read it off because I'm gonna get it wrong. But Ariana Madix is wearing a deep hetta halter draped cutout mini dress. the way the dress sways, like the way it falls on her body, the way the draping on the dress, y'all. Oh my gosh, the draping on the dress is absolutely stunning. I love this light blue color. I feel like that really brought out Ariana. Also, can I say, her being a brunette, I think suits her so much better than her being a blonde. Like this brunette era that we're getting from her, I absolutely admire this. Now, did I love the bangs? I didn't. Do I appreciate her trying something new and out the box? Yes. Kata absolutely ate this dress up. Now, this is a Fashion Nova cutout dress. Let me tell you, this is cute. The colors, it screams summer. It's the patchwork of it. It's just so fun. Like, she's literally in a crochet knit dress from Fashion Nova, so Queens is saved, y'all. And it fits her body so well. I feel like it screamed summer. I really do. Like, it was so good on her. It looks so good. Her body was tea in it. Tea. This picture of Sierra and Teffy that they wore on After Sun, first of all, I love that they were matching. Like, and it gave matching, but not like, ooh, twins, we're young and we just have on the same thing. Like, no, it just gave matching in like the best way possible, especially for like co-hosting a show together. And you have Teffy in the long maxi knit version of it, and then you have Sierra with the long sleeve cropped top and a different skirt. I just feel like it was so fun, so tea, so cute. I love Sierra's outfit a lot more than I love Teffy's, but I love the fact that they were matching, and it was, I don't know if I want to say symbiotic. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but the way that it came together, it was so cohesive, so beautiful. It was absolutely, yes. Like, I was like gagging at my TV as I was watching them, and just the outfits that they had on, how cute and how well that it looked together on both of them. Next up, we have Ariana in a Hora. Y'all, I'll have the name right here. It is their Scarlet Garden dress, and it's literally this beaded strapless mini dress. Wow. Just wow. When she walked out, I said, wow. Like, that's it. Like, that's all I had. Wow. Like, she looked absolutely stunning. The bob was eating on this. Everything was just wow. And can I say, all of the jewelry has been so good. Like, I like how all the girlies they had their accessories. Like, Anaya had her hats and her little sunglasses. Trinity would have different types of scarves on. Melanie with her jewelry. Like, the girlies were absolutely accessorized down, and I absolutely loved everything about this. But Ariana, gagged. Wow. That's it. Wow. In this photo, we have Anaya, Melanie, and Kata. And I do want to talk about Anaya and Melanie's outfits because they are so tea. Anaya has on a Somewhere Sunny stripes two-piece skirt set from Fashion Nova, and it is so cute. And I love the colors on her body. Like, it screams summer. This is a cute two-piece set. The thing is, when you get a good two-piece set, y'all, that's it. You ain't gotta think too hard. You got on two-piece set, put on your earrings, put on your rings, put on your little heels. You're good to go. You ain't gotta think too hard when it's a good two-piece set. And then we have Melanie wearing this Tracy Ann Farrington spring summer 2025 tongue twister, get that out, okay? Look, and it's a two-piece set, but Melanie's only wearing the shawl piece of it. And when I tell you, she gave Monica So Gone, oh, she gave the early 2000s. Like, Melanie is embodying, sorry y'all, but Melanie is embodying the early 2000s so good. Like, the boho chic realness, she ate this up. I'm not even gonna hold you. She ate it up. It is absolutely stunning. I'm in love. This is so cute. I will be finding the shawl to go with me to Mexico City because absolutely I need that in my closet yesterday. Next up, we have Trinity in this beautiful two-piece set from the Amy Taylor collection. Let me tell you, she ate this up. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, the way it just looks on her, the way it fits her body, the way it's crystal. Yes, like Trinity had me screaming on my screen when I seen this. And then she had the nerve to be matching with Bryce on accident. Go get your man, girl. Go get your man. Go get your man, because you ate this up with this look, and it was so good. I loved it. It was absolutely beautiful. It's their Kikiana set. So tea. The way her breast assist was sitting up in it, I was just like, yes, Trinity. Yes, girl. Yes. Now we have Ariana Madix wearing this custom lace-up dress from, I don't want to get this wrong, Taylor Jean Cox. She ate this up, y'all. Absolutely, yes. First of all, the red, stunning. The brunette, stunning. The middle part, duh. What? The lace-up, the little booty, the little peekaboo in the back. Ariana, girl, you're killing us, because this is absolutely so cute. Oh my gosh, it's sexy. It's sexy, it's perfect, it's daring, it's bold, it's so good. It's so good, so good. I felt like Anaya knew exactly what she was doing when she put this outfit on, and I was like, absolutely yes, girl, because you're not gonna play in my face and the next day I'm gonna look like trash. No, she said, I'm about to show this body, yaddy, yaddy, and I got my man back. period. Anaya has on this collab with H&M and Mugler, and it is a spiral paneled bodysuit with cutout and the color blocking, and she absolutely ate this up. We're having curl on her arm. Oh, and I knew what she was doing, and she absolutely ate this up in this scene. I loved it. This was no notes. The body is the outfit, the cutout is the outfit, the Mugler is the outfit, period. All right, y'all, we got that name again that I cannot pronounce, the Arula Hoa. Oh, I got that so wrong. But anyways, Ariana has on their Sacred Shell 2-piece set, and this is what it's supposed to be like when you go on vacation, okay? This is how you're supposed to look. What? The 2-piece, the shells, the beading, the white, the dress, the sleeves, the everything. Ah, it's just like, I just love being a girl because that would absolutely be on my body. I love it. The V. Oh, it was so good. Ariana, she really did her biggest one. I think this is my favorite season of outfits from her. She killed every single one, and I absolutely love her being a brunette. This outfit, I think this might have been my favorite outfit that Ariana had on. Absolutely love this. You know, Sierra and Teffy, that's a dynamic duo in fashion because they are absolutely killing it with their outfits for hosting After Sun on Love Island. I love this too. I love this. I love that they both have on 2-piece sets. Sierra has on this like a mustardy, yellowy, kind of greenish 2-piece set. It looks like the top is leather, her shorts are suede, and it's so cute. She's giving legs. She's giving legs and like skater girl, like, or biker chick. It's a biker chick, my bad. Biker chick. And she absolutely ate this up. And the blonde, yeah, Sierra, yeah. But I'm afraid Teffy took it from me. Teffy looks absolutely good. I love a good structured, collared anything, period. And she has on this dark brown cocoa. Yes, yes, it's chocolate brown. It's so good. There's a collar. The skirt is asymmetrical. It's flowy. It's just, they ate it up. I'm not gonna lie. And I love Teffy's earrings. I love that their earrings match Sierra's outfit. Like I said before, they're cohesive, they're matching, they make sense, they go together, it flows together, okay? It's symbiotic. That's the word I was looking for, symbiotic, and they are getting it, and I love it, okay? These two, the outfits that they have, whoever their stylist is, I know they're working together because it just works. It works and it's perfect. It's perfect, it's perfect, it's perfect. I love it. Yes. And now we're at the last outfit that we've gotten so far. And this is from Teffy. And then I tell you, this is my favorite look so far that we've seen on Love Island this season. It is my favorite look so far. Teffy had it on. It is this blue marine, long printed plissé Georgette dress. And when I tell y'all, I need this. I need this. I will get the secondhand later, but I will have this dress in my collection. Absolutely, yes. I loved it. I feel like Teffy did such a great job with styling it. I love the silver and the turquoise to go with this beautiful, I don't know if it's lavender. I don't know what shade of purple that is, but whatever shade of purple that is, it needs to be on my body because I know that color looks amazing on me. That dress needs to be on me. My jaw dropped. I was gagged the entire time I watched that episode of After Sun with Teffy in that dress because she looks so good, y'all. This is my favorite look so far. I love the print on it. I love the color of it. I don't know if it's a lilac. I don't know. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning, gorgeous. Yes. This was my favorite look ever. The way from top to bottom, the way it was styled was perfect. The accessories, perfect. The hair, perfect. It looked amazing on her. It matched her undertones. Like, it just looked so good. My favorite outfit thus far. Absolutely, yes, no notes. I was into this one, y'all. I was gagged. All right, and that will officially wrap up episodes 1 through 28 of Love Island season 8. I'm not gonna lie, it had some good stuff. Like, it did have some good stuff. I wasn't as gagged as I was last season. I feel like last season, the girlies had a beat face, cute outfit every single day. I should have did one of these last years to compare. And this season, I feel like the girlies are a little more chill, but I like it. I like in the daytime how they're kind of like barefaced, pimple patches, just chill, cute, walking around, giving body, kind of just lounging around. Whereas last year, I'm not gonna lie, the girlies gave us face, tea, sat, zam. Like, that's all we got last season. But this season, not as much, but I'm not mad at it. I feel like it's a little something for everybody. And when it's time to show out, they definitely do show out. And these are my favorites that I've shown you from episodes 1 through 28. And we get episode 29 through, I think, the end. I think this is the last week of Love Island. So I'll definitely be doing a recap for the last week of Love Island. And you can catch it on my channel next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.